So Dr. Whitaker, do you know why August is such an important month to me?
You know, I actually do. August is the anniversary of the clinic.
The 20-year mark. 20 years ago, I was setting up the clinic and we were nervous and I felt really young. You know, you're 28 years old, you don't have some of these gray hairs and things, and I remember looking at my mother and saying, do you think I ought to, just put on some glasses? I know I don't need them, but do glasses make me look older and more established and like I can take care of you better? And I was looking for ways to just feel more mature. Isn't that funny? And now here we are, 20 years later. I just got my first pair of bifocals, and in many ways I wish I didn't feel so mature. You're still looking good. Wait till your eyes are changing.
You know what I tell my wife? When I first started, I'd walk into the room and they'd say, how old are you?
You don't look old enough.
You don't look old enough to be my doctor.
Are you my doctor?
So I was looking for ways to try to look older.
Were you going to go with glasses too?
Was an option. I actually bought a pair that had no prescription in them. Facial hair was an option. There were lots of options on the table. None of them worked. Now I walk into the room and no one ever says anything. So I told my wife, I finally must be looking old. These gray hairs must finally be paying off, because no one says it anymore.
One of the key reasons we chose St. George is they didn't have protocol for treating and managing the dizzy patients, people with vertigo, dizziness, maybe they were imbalanced or unsteady, and all of a sudden a lot of those dizzy patients had hearing needs, and we ended up becoming specialists in hearing health and dizziness and things, and that's the name of our clinic, Hearing and Balance Doctors. So
I was thinking you might be a VNG pioneer in St. George. Now VNG, that's a fancy term for a balance or dizziness test.
We were the first ones to bring the VNG to the greater St. George area. That's something we were doing that 20 years ago.
20 years ago, I was just starting my doctoral program. I ended up joining the team a little over 16 years ago now.
Yeah. And in that same year, 2009, we opened up our clinic in Las Vegas, in the Henderson location and Boulder City location. As you know, we have 3 doctors down there now, and we have 4 doctors up here, and the clinics down there are doing so well, and the patients are having a great experience. The doctors and the staff are having a great experience.
From day one, you opened clinics in Richfield, Utah, your hometown.
That's right.
Clinic in Cedar City, Utah, a clinic in Mesquite, Nevada. And since that time, we've even opened a couple others. We now have offices in Hurricane,
Santa Clara. We took it upon ourselves to work with audiology assistants so we could see more and be more. And
so boy, big thank you to people from Richfield, Utah, Central Utah, all the way down through Southern Utah into Southern Nevada.
We love our staff. We love the people we get to work with. We also love you as patients and individuals that frequent and come into the clinic and seek out hearing health or dizziness and balance help. We really appreciate all of you.
So to celebrate,
yes,
we're thinking,
let's do it up.
We're thinking big. If you know anything about our clinic, you know we think big. We don't do things small around here. So we're not quite ready to make a detailed announcement.
For example, a date, a venue, and what we'll be doing, but we do know we're leaning towards September or October, so we'll get another video out. Of course, we're gonna invite a lot of people. It's going to be a lot of fun.
We are excited about this. There are some fun plans in the works, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Let me also just put out a big thank you. You know, we so much appreciate our patients, our friends, the local community here that has supported us. Without your support, we wouldn't be a clinic.
That's right.
Thank you so much, and this celebration is going to be a big thank you, especially for our patients. We're really excited about it.
And it's a milestone for us as a clinic, and Dr. Whitaker brings up a great point. We definitely would not be here. A sincere thank you. Our patients really do make our job the best. We love being audiologists, but it's these relationships. It's these experiences that we get to have together that make it really special. So we're going to be celebrating all of you.
We are looking forward to a big party.
Okay, everybody, we so appreciate you watching the video today. If you've liked what you've seen, please like it, subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us, but it also means the world to other people who are trying to figure out what's going on with their hearing health. So thank you for watching.